If you have ever been driving down the road at night and it seems like you can't see very far in front of you because of how your headlights are, it might mean that they are adjusted too low. I will show you how to adjust the headlights for a 2013 Hyundai Elantra, but this similar concept can be applied to many different types of cars. Pull up to a flat surface so that you're perpendicular to it, and you'll be able to see when you adjust your lights if they're in the right position. Pull the hood release latch and lift the hood up to secure it properly. Look in these two spots to adjust the headlights. Here's where you will find it on the passenger side. It will look like a little opening with little mini gears or teeth in it. On the driver's side, the spot to adjust the headlight is just to the right of the air filter cover. Just like the other side, there's a little opening with mini gears in there. And the tool that you can use to change it or to adjust it is a Phillips screwdriver. Once you have found those two spots to adjust the headlights, turn on the headlights and mark where they are with painter's tape or something that you can mark how high it is, and then put the screwdriver in the little slot and turn clockwise if you want to raise the position of the beam. If you want to lower it, do the opposite and go counterclockwise. For the driver's side, I removed the air filter cover so that it's easier to get my screwdriver in the right spot. And what I do is I put it down inside and then I push it forward, and as I'm spinning it seems like that position makes it work better. These headlights were adjusted way too low, so I had to twist it quite a few times to get them to the level that I needed. Here's a closer up view from the driver's side, which is right next to that air filter cover. When you put the air filter cover back on, make sure that the two tabs to the left go in properly, or else it will not snap down. After you've adjusted both sides and it seems like both are at the same height, go take the car for a test drive at night and make sure that things have improved. Having your headlights adjusted to the correct position and height make it safer for you and others while driving at night, because you obviously don't want them too high and shining in other people's eyes, because it's hard for them to see when you're going towards them, and if they're too low then it decreases your visibility and it's a little bit harder to react if something happens in front of you. So you want to find the happy medium to where it makes it safe for other drivers and safe for you. I hope this video was helpful. Good luck and thanks for watching.